Did you know that one of history's most powerful philosophies was born from complete financial ruin? Zeno of Citium was a wealthy merchant sailing to Athens when disaster struck. His ship crashed. His fortune vanished. His entire life plan destroyed in one violent storm. Stranded and broken, he wandered into a bookshop where someone was reading about Socrates. In that moment, something clicked. Losing everything external had freed him to discover something internal. This catastrophe became the birth of Stoicism. Zeno realized three truths that would change millions of lives. First, you can only control your thoughts and actions, nothing else. Second, peace comes from wanting what you have, not having what you want. Third, your problems shrink when you see them from a cosmic perspective. His shipwreck became the foundation for a philosophy that would guide Marcus Aurelius, modern leaders, and anyone seeking inner strength. Sometimes losing everything is the only way to discover what truly matters. Your setbacks aren't endings. They're beginnings in disguise. The question is, what will you build from your ruins?